So there's a couple of clips that you have to remove. There's one here, this car's a little bit dirty. There's one here, one up here, and one over here. And then this little part here sits into a little grill, so you kind of pull that off and you can get out that little tab out. And then you kind of just feed it off this. Once you have it out, you kind of manipulate it around. Something like this. And then this is what we're looking for, so you can see a little, oh, there's a lot of junk in there, so I'm going to wash that out, and I get a little bucket. You can see it coming out there now. Oh, there's a lot of junk in it. I'm going to let the water run out and then pick whatever's inside it. So I'd recommend getting a hose up the top. This is just jam-packed full of stuff, so I'm just sticking my finger in there at the moment. Yep, also pull it down. They go back onto that little, kind of do for the little bit awkward is you have to poke this plastic part out and then refit it in there, and then that'll clip in. Just get all the junk out of there. That's the plastic part. We'll wash that. We'll give that a bit of a wash. You refit it into the plastic piece here. The rubber part, sorry. We'll go in there. I'll wash all this up before I refit it, and then it'll just clip into the body. You want to get a hose, probably wash it down. There's a lot of junk in there still. But yeah, this is the ocean noises you're hearing inside your cab. So with the two pieces back together there, this rigid plastic piece fits into the rubber piece there. You kind of have to push it in, and then you can just push that part back into the hole up there. I'm not going to push it in right now because I need to clean up there. I'm going to put a couple of buckets of water down through it to try flush any other stuff out while I'm here. Focus.